Sure, with the dairy sale here today, there was about 100 head on offer. Nearly finished up there now. The start of it was with 64 cows there. It was an end of a clearance sale there for a man, David Finn there in Mitchelstown. That went very well. I think the average is about 26 or just something over 2,600 topped out there. Plenty stock making over 3,000 in that there. We're selling some in-calf ones there at the moment. The calf ones are still that little bit dearer than the in-calf ones, even though the calf value is so high. You're getting a calf in them, but the calf stock, people want stock to go and ready to milk and work straight away. So look, very strong trade. I suppose TB is driving it more than anything. Most of the people that are ringing up looking for cows, the first question they're asking is, are your cows in the 30-day test? So the TB buyers have to go back on that 30-day test and haven't that. So there's a lot of those. Few new entrants, few people expanding, few people short of cows. Good mixture, but yeah, a lot of TB buyers, yeah. We would have been sceptical starting off the year about the trade and the dairy trade and the way it would go with the way milk price went, but it hasn't materialised that way at all. I suppose, firstly, stock are a lot scarcer this year than they would have been in previous years. Us here in Corrin, we would have had a lot less clearance sales booked in. This time last year, we would have run every week with a clearance sale nearly, but there's very few clearance sales this year. And then overall, in likes of your own calf heifers and stuff, are a lot scarcer too. That ICBF gave us a figure there. It's sometime last April that there was a 20% shortage of replacement heifers. That figure hasn't gone away. So I think as time moves on, I actually think the trade will hold and maybe even strengthen a little bit. The calf trade, yeah, sure, the calf trade has taken on a whole new life. I suppose if we go back 12 months ago, it was just starting to kick into gear. But I suppose the trade finished up and the weanings continued on to weans, and we started into the calves now have been extraordinary. Like we had 700 calves here on Wednesday, and they were just, I suppose, different level, mind-blowing the prices. You plenty of your Angus and Hereford and coloured calves getting there from your 5 to, look, there was calves made €1,000 at the last day. Do you know, your Frisian bulls, what you might have been selling 12 months ago for 80 to €150 are now freely getting from 250 to 400, like, and your good Frisians are even breaking that. So look, it's taken on a whole new life altogether this year. It's just gone into a different level. We actually took a figure there from our sale 12 months ago, day to day. So we had similar number of calves 12 months ago to the same day. The average price of calves on that day 12 months ago was €166, and the average price of calves last Wednesday, and it would be a similar breakdown of breeds and all in that, was €440. So now, look, farmers are feeding the calves a good bit better, I'd say, and calves are a lot stronger too coming out. But look, what we have seen so far is the more calves that have come out, the more customers come out to buy them. And look, it is the domestic trade that is driving it. But hopefully exporters will get going now stronger in the next week or two as well.